Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tamara, as you guys already know. Welcome, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So guys, please go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you. So guys, today I'll be doing a how-to video. I will be showing you guys how I put my hair in 3 different ponytail styles. Okay, so stay tuned guys, and I will hook y'all up. Okay. Okay guys, so let's just jump into the video guys. So you're gonna need, just make sure you have your brush, a smooth brush, comb, a squingy or elastic band. Yeah, that's all it actually needs. I know. So you guys already know the first thing I normally do is moisturize my hair, okay? And this is what I use. I love this thing guys. Love. Okay, so a little go a long way, like that. You have to give your hair some love, you know, some love. First, I'm going to detangle my hair, okay? So
a pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pay.
It's my go-to, guys. I do this almost all the time. I love when my hair is like this.
If we weren't going back, it doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we want.
To do, I like to sweep the side, like give it a sweep up.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner.
Ooh, I feel like I'm doing a photo shoot up in here. Yes, so this is one. This is my go-to, guys. I love this one.
Twice as bright, they'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
Okay guys, so the second one is, okay, so let's get a comb. Ta-da! So this is the second one, guys. So yeah.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. Got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling.
Okay, so let's jump into the last one. Okay. Okay, so the first thing you do, so this was the last one, guys, the third one. Oh my god, my watch breaking my hair. Okay, so you're gonna get like a center part right here.
The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world is.
Okay, guys, ta-da! So this is on fleek. I did not plan this, guys. It just happened, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna let this stay because it looks cute, you know.
Got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So this is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment down below what's up if you guys need me to do more videos like this. I'll be feeling this, like, this is really cute. I really like this actually. I feel so cute today, like, oh, yes girl. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video. Are we feeling these? Look.